cot 1 by tan. These values are very important to simplify the any problem. Last of all, sin some important very simple formulas. Sin A plus B, sin A plus B, sin A plus B formula. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, cos A sin B. Very easy formula. Sin of sum of any two angles, sum of any two angles. We know that sin of A plus B, that is divided into two parts. So we use this formula, sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That's all. Next, sin of A minus B, sin of A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Just we will change symbol, very easy. Plus A plus, minus minus, very easy formula. Sin of A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Minus, only change symbol, plus or minus, only simple, very easy. Next, cos formula, cos of A plus B, cos of A plus B, cos A cos B, no, plus will be change minus, cos very, cos minus sin A sin B, sin A sin B, that's all. Next, cos of A minus B, cos of A minus B, cos A cos B, minus will be changed plus sin A sin B. So cos very different because plus will be changed minus, minus plus, same values. Cos of A plus B, cos A cos B, plus change minus, minus change plus. Now next, same two values are sin, sin A sin B. Next, cos of A minus B, same values cos A cos B, but minus will be changed plus, you know that, plus sin A sin B. Next, tan, tan of A plus B. We know already tan means sin by cos. So here also same formula, tan A plus tan B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, 1 minus tan A tan B. So tan of A plus B formula, sin by cos, so numerator by denominator we thought sin tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Next, tan A minus B, tan A minus B, that is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. That's all. Very easy formulas. Tan A plus B and tan A minus B. A plus B, tan A plus tan B by plus will be changed minus, minus will be changed plus. Same, very easy. Tan of A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Next, tan of A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. These formulas are very important and use some shortcut formulas. So once again, sin of A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Next we get another formula, plus will be changed only minus, we only change minus. Sin of A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, first of all. Next, cos formula, cos of A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Next, cos of A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos dead opposite, plus minus minus plus, that is identified. Next, tan also same, tan of A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Same, plus will be changed minus also. Tan of A minus B, first we will get numerator minus tan A minus tan B by automatically change denominator plus 1 plus tan A tan B. These are sum of two values of any trigonometry ratio, sin, cos and tan. So sin of A plus sin 2A, yes, we write already A plus B. B is also A, that is sin 2A we will get. So sin 2A formula 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin A cos A. already write sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, we write. So yeah, B equal to A sin A plus cos A. Here also sin A, sin B is also sin A. So 1 sin A, 1 sin A, 2 sin A cos A will get. So sin of A plus B, right? That is sin 2A, B is also A. We will get direct formula 2 sin A cos A. That's all. Next, cos 2A, same formulas we will use. 2 cos square A minus 1 and also 1 minus 2 sin square A and also cos square A minus sin square A. Next, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So we will learn cos 2A 4 formulas, different types. Only cos formula 2 cos square A minus 1. Only sin formula 1 minus 2 sin square A. Only sin and cos both formula cos square A minus sin square A. Next, only tan formula 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. These 4 formulas we will apply. The formula is to find cos 2A. So options A, B, C answers. A answer is only cos, here formula use. Or only sin options sin formula. Both sin and cos answer we will use this formula. Only tan we will use this formula. So cos 2A using the formula depending on options A, B, C, D options. Now first option cos, we will get 2 cos square A minus 1, sin 1 minus 2 sin square A, cos square A minus sin square A, tan 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. This sin 2A cos 2A. Another last formula tan 2A. Tan 2A. 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Last tan 2A formula 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. So we'll get very easy and important also formula. Sin 2A, cos 2A, tan 2A. So sin 2A, how will you get sin of A plus B? Already told. B is also A. A plus A sin 2A will get. Same formulas you use. Sin 2A equal to 2 sin A cos A. Next, cos 2A equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Next, 1 minus 2 sin square A. Next, another cos square A minus sin square A. Last one, 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So cos 2A has only 4 formulas. Tan 2A is also another tan formula also. 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. So tan formula, so sin cos also, tan also. Sin 2A, tan formula 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Next, cos 2A 4 formulas. Only cos formula 2 cos square A minus 1. Only sin formula 1 minus 2 sin square A. Cos and sin both formula cos square A minus sin square A. And tan formula 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square A. These 4 formulas very important and know that. Tan 2A last 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Keep it up. Next, to find the values of, only we know that sin 30, 45, 60, 90. We now find out another values of 120, 150, 160, 260, 250, 300, 360, anyone more than 90 values. We will use formulas of sin of 90 minus, already told table. And also, for example, 90 minus we will get 50. 90 minus 40. 90 minus 40, 50, sin 50 find out. So sin 90 minus theta, first of all 90. We will first of all think 90. 90 will be changed, yes or no? 90 already change. Sin will be change cos. Sin will be change cos. Sin change cos. Cos will also change sin. Next, tan change cot. Cot change tan. Next, cosecant change secant. Secant change cos. only 90 270 already told. 90 270 change angles already told. So sin 90 minus theta, first of all change 90 change, yes or no, yes change, sin will be change cos, so cos right angle theta, that's all. Next symbol 90 minus mean first coordinate, already told 90 minus first coordinate all plus, so symbol plus leave it. Next sin of 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, 90 same, first of all we think change after symbol, so we will here 90 sin change cos right angle theta cos theta. Next 90 plus, already told 90 plus means second coordinate, second sign plus, so symbol leave it. Next sin 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 లో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వి థింక్ చేంజ్, ఎస్ ఆర్ నో, నో చేంజ్ సేమ్, sin theta value 180 minus mean second coordinate, already told second coordinate sin plus, so symbol leave it. Next sin 180 plus theta, first of all change after symbol, change, no change sin. Next 180 plus already told first, second, third, fourth also, once again repeat 90 minus and 360 plus here 90 plus 0 90 180 270, 90 plus 180 minus here 180 plus 270 minus here 270 plus 360 minus, first of all plus, here sin plus, here cos plus, tan plus, last cos plus, already told, once again here repeat 180 no change sin theta, 180 plus tan, only tan plus, here also sin, so symbol minus. Next sin already 90 180 over, next 270 minus theta, 270 change, yes or no, yes change, sin will be change cos theta. Next 270 minus 270 which coordinate, already told tan, third coordinate only tan, remaining any ratio minus, so here sin, so minus cos theta. Next sin 270 plus theta, first of all change, change 270 change, yes or no, yes, sin will be change cos theta. 270 plus 270 which coordinate, fourth coordinate only cos, remaining minus, but here sin, so we will get minus. Next sin 360 minus theta, 360 change or no, no change, same values, sin theta 360 minus sin theta, 360 minus which coordinate, already fourth coordinate, fourth only cos plus, but here sin, so we will get minus. Next last one sin 360 plus theta, 360 no change, same sin theta. Next sin theta, the 360 plus 360 mean plus first coordinate, first all plus, so sin plus tan anyone, here also no symbol, so this like similarly write cos, tan and its reciprocal, all are right. So another cos of 90 minus theta, first of all we think 90 90 change, yes or no? Yes, change. So cos will be changed, cos will be changed, sin. So sin theta, sin theta. After symbol 90 minus mean first coordinate all plus, so symbol plus, leave it. Next of all, cos 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta. 90 will be changed, yes or no? Yes. So 90 change, 90 and 270 already told change. So 90 change, cos will be change, sin theta, sin theta. So 90 plus, 90 plus means second coordinate, 90 plus second coordinate. Second coordinate only sin plus, remaining minus. So but here cos. So another function minus value, minus value. Next cos, cos 180 minus theta. 180 లో no, 180 no change, same value. So we write cos theta. After think symbol 180 minus, 180 minus second coordinate only sin plus, but here cos, so we will get minus. Next cos 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta. 180 లో no change, same value cos theta. Next symbol thing 180 plus, 180 plus third coordinate, third tan plus, but here cos, so we'll get minus. Next cos 270 minus theta, 270 change, already told change, sin cos will be change sin, so sin theta, sin theta. 270 minus which coordinate? 270 minus already told third coordinate, third coordinate cos will be change minus. Next cos 360 minus theta, 360 will be change, yes or no? No change, because of only 90 270 change, but here 360 no change, same value cos theta. Next of all symbol, symbol 360 minus, 360 minus fourth coordinate, fourth coordinate already we know that cos plus, here also same cos, symbol plus, leave it. Next last one cos, oh another missing, 270 plus. Next 270 change, 270 change, cos change sin theta, 270 change cos sin. 270 plus coordinate, 270 plus fourth coordinate cos plus, cos here also cos, sin, symbol leave it. Last next cos of 360 minus theta, 360 no change, cos theta same, symbol 360 minus fourth coordinate cos plus, symbol leave it. Last one cos of 360 plus theta, 360 change, no cos, no change, no change, no cos theta same, cos theta. 360 plus first coordinate all plus, so symbol leave it. So first of all angle change, after symbol think. Angle change only 90 and 270, there is no change of 0, 180, 360. Symbol also first coordinate all plus, second coordinate sin plus, third coordinate tan plus, fourth coordinate cos plus. So we know that sin and cos, another tan. Now last one tan. Tan of 90 minus theta, we already told 90 change. First of all we think change after symbol, change 90 change, yes, tan will be change cot, tan will be change cot theta. 90 minus first coordinate all plus, Next tan of 90 plus theta, 90 change, already told tan will be change cot theta, 90 plus second coordinate second coordinate already told sin only plus. Here tan, so we will get minus. Next, tan of 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta. Tan 180 first change we think. 180 లో no change, same value, tan theta, tan theta. 180 minus mean second coordinate. Second already told sin, but here tan. So we will get minus. Next, tan 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. 180 plus first change 180 no change, same value tan theta. 180 plus mean third coordinate. Third tan already told, tan third coordinate tan plus, so here we will get plus, leave it. Next, tan 270 minus theta. 270 change, tan 270. Tan will be changed. Yes, we know already 90, 270 change. Here also 270 change. Tan will be changed. Cot will be changed tan. So tan will be changed cot theta. 270 minus 270 third coordinate already plus, leave its symbol. Next, last one, tan 270 plus theta. 270 first of all we think change. 270 change, yes or no? Yes, change. Tan will be changed cot theta. After symbol think 270 plus fourth coordinate tan minus, because of fourth coordinate cos plus. Next, tan 360 minus theta. 360 no change, same values, tan theta remaining, tan theta only, no change. 360 minus fourth coordinate, fourth only cos plus, but here tan, so we will get minus. Last one, tan 360 plus theta. First of all change, 360 no change, same values, tan theta. 360 plus first coordinate all plus, sin, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot, all ratios are positive, so here also positive. That is, similarly we write same reciprocal of sin, cos, tan, sin reciprocal cosecant, cos reciprocal secant, tan reciprocal cot. We will write same values, change. First of all we think change after symbol. These values are used for more than 90 degrees to find out 90 degrees. For example, we know 120, 150 degrees. We know that only 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 only. But to find out 180, 120, 180, 180 values, 210 values, 250, any one. Another values of trigonometric values. We know simple values of 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. To find another angles of, for example, 120, 150, 160. So very simple example, sin 150 we know to find out. So we write already know that 90 plus 60, 90 plus 60, 150. So or sin 180 minus 30, any one we write sum of or difference of two angles, 150. So first of all the sin change, sin cos 60, sin will be changed, cos another value 60. Next, 90 plus which coordinate? Second coordinate, second plus sin, symbol leave it. We know already cos 60 how much value? Cos 60 value వచ్చేసి 1/2, cos 60 1/2. Another method, sin 180 minus 30 we know already. 180 minus also 150. First of all change, no sign, change, no change, sin 30, sin 30. Next symbol 180 minus, 180 minus will get second coordinate all positive, second sign plus, so here also same sign symbol, leave it. Next we know uh, we know of sin 30 from the table, sin 30 value 1 by 2, same we get another method. No, any method you use, we will find remaining values of remaining values, that means table of values 120, 150, 210, any values by using of the table. First of all, sin 150. Sin 150 generally we write 90 plus 60. Because of 90, we know change of values 90, 270, 360, 180, any values. But here 90 plus 60 or 180 minus 30, anyone, we will get 150. So first of all change 90, change sin cos angle 60. 90 plus second coordinate, second already we know that sin plus, so symbol also plus, leave it. Cos 60 from the table we know 1 by 2. Next sin 180 minus 30, 180 no change, no change, here also another method, sin 30, 180 minus 180 minus second coordinate, second already we know that sign positive, so we'll get sin 30, that is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. That's all to find out the any angle of values. Next now we find out some to solve some problems trigonometry. So already once again we repeat the theoretical trigonometry. Trigonometry, the author of trigonometry Hipparchus. Trigonometry depending on right angle triangle. Right angle means in a triangle one angle equal to 90 degrees, that is called right angle. Right angle is opposite is called opposite hypotenuse. Now when we find out theta, theta is opposite is called opposite side, remaining adjacent side. Next now the relation between hypotenuse, opposite and hypotenuse is called is hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. This is also called Pythagoras law. The we know already Pythagoras law, the square of one side equal to sum of the square of the remaining two sides in previous classes. But here trigonometry, hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. The longest side is the hypotenuse. Theta opposite side, theta opposite is called opposite, remaining also adjacent side. Next the trigonometry already we know we told trigonometry depending on right angle triangle. So right angle already told. Trigonometry ratios. Trigonometry ratios means sin, cos, tan. The ratio of trigonometry, opposite side and hypotenuse, and cos already adjacent side and hypotenuse, tan opposite and adjacent side. So these are basic of trigonometry.